Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. We have got another group ride tonight, a night ride, group ride. Going to meet the group right now. Woo! And just get out and rip it around. There's everyone. What's good? All right, guys. So I think we're finally deciding on what the route is gonna be. I just want to get out and ride a little bit. We're finally getting this ride started. It literally took 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Oh, this is so long that this thing turned off. But now we're riding. Whew. There we go. It is a little scary wheeling in the pack because I don't want to loop and hit someone else, but just gotta be careful. So these group rides typically consist of a whole array of different e-bikes. In front of me is the Super 73, there's a Zeus bike behind me, and then a Talaria, of course, and then we got the Razor naturally, but it's cool. You got a bunch of random types of bikes. Some guys ride skateboards and unicycles. Yeah, it's a good time. Oh, dude, whenever I go all the way back and hit the brake on this thing, I'll bottom out the rear shock. Really need to get new suspension ASAP. I was thinking about putting it off, but I don't think I can with how I ride and how I want to ride, man. Bye! Auto response is just so absurd, man. On to Broad Street we go. Off goes the 72 volt Talaria. Never a sight I thought I would see. Just cruising on a mini electric bike all the way down Broad to City Hall. Very silly. Some might even say stupid. But that's me, it's what I do. Woo! That scared me. Can't hear them coming, that's for sure. It's the one sketchy thing about these ride outs, guys, is you can't hear the other bikes. Cars can't hear you, they barely see you. So that is a little sketchy. Good old City Hall here. Whew. Peace, bro. I'm loving these circle wheelies, guys. I wonder what's gonna go on here. I don't know. Ding, 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 ding. Could never do this on a gas bike. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't mind me, please. Don't mind me at all. Oh. Bumpy, bumpy. Yes, these guys are just whipping ahead. Yeah, E-gang, woo! Sorry, that was cringe. Guys, I'll also get some gas bike videos out on the CRF soon. For those who maybe missed them. Look at this dude. Woo!
Going down to FDR.
Holy shit. Man, these guys are ripping on these things. I'm now all tweaked because I don't have a taillight on my bike, and that's kind of sketchy considering people can't see me. We actually already ordered one, it just hasn't come in yet is all. So hopefully that should be on soon. Oh damn, we're already at the stadium. That was quick as hell. Bro, how do you ride that thing so fast?
Yeah, I ride with the bump.
Yeah.
It's fast as shit. He's got an upgraded motor, upgraded battery, everything.
Dude, it's so fast. I'm like, wait a minute, like what the fuck?
It's not a normal one.
I am just riding with the speed racers of the pack. We lost the rest of them. They're probably like solid 10 minutes behind us, honestly. Oh, the Phils are playing tonight too. I forgot about that. The park, huh? It's dark as shit in here. I've never been here before. Woo. Woo. All the way up there, we might as well take advantage of this little street here, you know? Well, this little mini bike is definitely getting me to see some parts of the city I wouldn't have expected. Oh, no way. Is this like a skate park here or some shit? Yeah, look at this, bro. Dude, I did not know this even existed. Wow, that's a big bowl. Skate park video part 2? Whew. Whew. I'm riding this like such a wuss, but this is one area where I know my limits. Oh. So one of the guys in the group with a Talaria got a flat, so we're gonna head back towards City Hall. Cops. No worry. If I keep riding like this, I'm gonna need new brake pads tomorrow. Just immediate power off the line. That Talaria is no joke. With the KO motor and the KO controller and the 72 volt oversized battery, sheesh, it rips. There's gotta be no quicker way to get around the city than this, I swear. Sorry guys, I haven't been talking about much this video. I just been kind of concentrating. We're just like on it, on the throttle, and then right onto the brakes, and then right onto the throttle.
Like reject.
Yeah,
Slow
yeah.
it a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Dude, how often do you change your pads? How often do you have to change your pads?
Well, I only got the 72 volt like a fucking week ago.
Oh, alright. You and me both, 76. I feel like I'm gonna go through pads like crazy, dude.
I'll say it's like once a month.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Feels good on this. You can slide your foot real easy. Doing a little tube fix. This tube pop you got a nail. Whew. Alright guys, well they finally finished fixing up his Talaria. What is that sound I'm hearing? Did my tensioner come off? That's weird. How the hell did that fall out, and how did he find that shit?
I knew it was here because you weren't making that noise when you...
Yeah, a second ago. Yeah, it just popped out somehow. We spent more time fucking wrenching today than we did riding, for God's sake.
That's what it is.
Make sure it's like centered and not rubbing.
Yo, good eye, Kurt. Damn. Alright, y'all. Have a good night. Well guys, interesting video as always. Stayed out way later than I should have. I gotta get up so early for work tomorrow, but I do this for you guys. You know, now that we got that rear brake fixed again, let's test it, right? Yeah, it still works. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty more videos to come, gas and electric. Otherwise though, I'll catch you next time. Peace.